We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was within this moving mission, we're looking for sell, and this is that's why we had this line. Okay, the trend line. Anyway, this is what we get, and even when the price was within this moving mission, we're looking for sell. Our take profit was 0.159, as we can see the price tag and even break, but no price to start to correct at what we're expecting as a take profit. Anyway, we just move this one. We don't need it anymore. If anyone is still they get the trade and they still are in the trade, I think at least they start to manage. Okay, now I want to see what's the next and how we can look for trade, because even when the price was within this move, we can expect the price to give us one more drop. All right, and if you refer to the indicators, if we put this one in relative to this, we want to see what we have. We don't have the divergence and this here as well. Okay, anyway, first of all, we start with higher time frame. We want to see how we can look for trade. And again, if we refer to our analyzer, since the price was within this move, I mentioned if we want to look for trade for buy, we need to be careful because of what we get here, and especially any of this. Mostly we can expect either the price reverse or give us a deeper correction, and now we get. All right. Now we want to see whether this one can continue and this one turn to deeper correction, or this is the only correction. I mean, this one can turn to more complex correction, or this is the only correction for continuation. All right. No, we need to wait and see how we can, what's the next and how we can look for trade. Anyway, if I move to forward chart, since the price was within this, we thought maybe we can put these two in relative to each other as a flat for reversal. Okay, but as we can see, the price broke the previous low. Still, we can consider this one as a flat. That's mean, but this is expanding flat. All right. The only question is how deep this one can be. And even if you put this one in relative to this, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. All right. Can we consider this is the only move? One, two, three. And even this one has an internal flat. And maybe this is the start of the down move. All right. We need to be aware of that. But still, if we get any reversal from here, we will take the trade. All right. We cannot confirm whether we should look for buy or sell because we need to see what we get here. For sure, if we get the correction here that confirm for the down move, we will look for sell. All right, but even if beside that, if we get any reversal, we can look for buy, because in terms of the risk and reward based on lower time frame, we can get it can give us better trade setup. And one of the another reasons, can we expect to get similar to what we have here? If this is the start of the down move, either from here or even lower, we can expect to get a correction. All right, to confirm for down move. That's why we, based on lower time frame, we can look for buy. All right. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart. This is what we're explaining based on forward chart, and we want to see how we can look for trade based on 1 hour chart. Okay, based on 1 hour chart, still we can look put this two in relative to each other. The best thing is if the price drop with the breakout of this, any reversal we can look for short-term buy. But if we get the buy, if the turn to a really corrective move, we take out the trade. We need to get the buy as a like with a sharp move in case the buy give us a reversal point, because most of the charts we have this down move. That's why me, if the rest they reverse, mostly they made this one, this coin also reverse. And right now, can we look this one as a May this is the start of the up move? We can watch this one. If we get any trade setup for buy, we can take the trade as a short-term trade. But as I mentioned, the best thing is if the price retest this low. Anyway, right now we can look for buy as a short-term buy, but it depends how we can manage it. All right. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. As I explained based on forward chart, how we can look at this. And right now, even this one drop, give us one more drop. We are not really looking for sell. And we don't have any trade setup as well. But if we get any buy setup based on 1 hour chart for the short term, we will take it. Then from there, we need to make a decision whether still we can look for this one as a flat and we can expect the price to reverse, or this is the one is going to drop and the buy can give us that. That's mean we can expect the deeper correction and the buy can be within the deeper correction. All right. Anyway, from now what I can see that if we get any reversal for buy, we will take the trade. That's mean we can look for trade setup for buy as a short-term buy. In this case, we just follow the chart, and right now we're looking for this. Either we can get one more drop before the price reverse, or This one can give us one more buy. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.